Hello and welcome. My name is Romney and I want to provide you with an honest review of my experience with Thinkific. Thinkific is a platform that you can host your own courses on, and it gives you a great deal of control rather than putting your courses on platforms like udemy.com or skillshare.com where you can set the price, but they really have the opportunity of adjusting that price, promoting it to who they want to, whereas with Thinkific, it gives you more control. But is it all positive with Thinkific? Is there things that you need to be aware of before you go down the line of using Thinkific as your platform of choice compared to other platforms that you might know about, such as Teachable or Kajabi or LearnWorlds? There's a number of different ones that you can choose from. So although I've been on Thinkific now for about 2.5 years, I really want to give you an honest review about how I've felt Thinkific's been, the pros, the cons, things that you need to consider, and opportunities for you to host your courses and create online learning education for students. So let's get into things right now. So if you're at that point in time right now where you're weighing up whether you should use Thinkific compared to those other online platforms, then this video might come to you at the perfect time. Now, I have created a free course that you can take that will show you all the different ins and outs of Thinkific. So I think it's around about an 1.5 to 2 hour course that I'm happy for you to use, and I'll link in the description below. But before you go down that pathway, I think it's important to know some of the pros and cons about the platform. So I host quite a few courses on the Thinkific platform, and I use the platform to really give myself the opportunity to market my courses my own way, but also to create memberships for my courses. So you can use Thinkific to create your course, you can load the courses up. It's very easy to navigate through. The dashboard of Thinkific is very easy to navigate for students, but most importantly, it's easy for you to navigate when you create your courses, create your content, create your thumbnails, build a landing page, creating links. All of those elements are really, really good with Thinkific. Probably the most beneficial thing I have with Thinkific is the opportunity to create like a membership or a subscription. So with all my courses, I've created a $19 per month subscription that students can access my self-publishing courses, and they can access them and absorb all of the content as much as they want to. They can reflect back on it. They can go through it at any time they want to, as long as they're paying that $19 subscription. And it's much cheaper to use the $19 subscription rather than buying each of the courses individually. Now, the pro and con, I guess, for the students is if they stop using their subscription and paying it, then they lose access to the courses. If they purchase them outright, they'll get that lifetime access to them. So that's something for the student to consider. Now, what you can do within Thinkific is load your courses up. You can create that pricing plan, so you can set an individual pricing plan. You can also have payment plans that are organized, so you might have a 2-month payment plan. If your course is $100 1 month, for the first month they pay $50, and then the second month they pay $50 again. So that can be set up. You have the opportunity of capturing email addresses of those students that do purchase your course or use the subscription through the membership. So that's another great way of utilizing Thinkific correctly and the right way. But you can also set it up so that you can have courses that drip feed through to them. You can have multiple courses on your Thinkific platform if you want to, but it all depends on the price plan that you choose. So Thinkific do offer some different price plans. You can have a free plan to start with. You can have like the middle range price plan, and you can have more of a premium plan. So you can see the price plan in front of you right now. Now you can also toggle between the annual plan and a monthly payment plan, and you can decide which is the right one for you. Now I offer through my link, there's that 30-day free trial that you can use. And also, it'd be very kind of you if you use my link and you can access the free course, but I'm also more than happy to provide a 45-minute free coaching session to you if you use my affiliate link to then subscribe and become a paying member with Thinkific. If you use the premium plan with my link, I'll give you 2 sessions of 1 hour to go through how you can set it up and make sure that it's going to be right for you. So at the moment, I've generated thousands and thousands of dollars using Thinkific with my online courses. So that's been a real positive. But what are the pros against using Thinkific? Well, firstly, you need to pay that monthly ongoing subscription membership for you to host your courses on the platform. Whereas if you used another platform like Skillshare or udemy.com, then there's no monthly membership that you have to pay. You can load that course up, it stays there forever, and you just receive the royalties as they come through. But I guess the negative is I'm paying $99 per month, but through my memberships and through my course purchases, I'm well and truly in front with that $99, which is great. But once students purchase the courses, then obviously they get ongoing membership or access to those courses. So you do need to keep that going as well. I guess you could drop down the membership level, which wouldn't provide me with as many, little elements within Thinkific that I can use, but that's okay. I'd be okay to do that. But for the moment, I'm more than happy to pay that $99, or actually it's actually $79 per month if you pay as part of an annual subscription. So there's a few things for you to consider. There's the memberships, there's a one-off payments, there's more control that you have when you host your own courses with Thinkific, and I just find the user experience is really good as well. So what honestly are some of the negatives? Well, if you think through the ongoing maintenance of it or having to pay, that would probably be a negative compared to other platforms like Udemy or Udemy or Skillshare. You do have to do your own marketing. So that is a key thing you need to think about. When you host your own courses on a platform like Thinkific, you are in control of the marketing. You have to do your own promotion to get people to your platform. Whereas if you use other platforms, they might do that on your behalf and potentially free of charge. But there's that but. If you host your own course on Thinkific, you've got control of the course price. So you might price it at $197 for your course. But if you put it on Udemy, they might discount it to $9. So there's a big difference in that pricing point. So overall, I've really enjoyed using Thinkific. I'll continue to use it. You can also integrate it with different apps and applications. Like I've got it linked up with my ConvertKit for my email. So if someone signs up to my course, then you can also activate an automation through ConvertKit. So that works really well. You can include different PDFs and downloads within your courses as well. You can include any affiliate links that you wanted to as well, whereas if you're using a platform like Udemy or Skillshare, you're not allowed to include any affiliate links. So if I have a software platform which I recommend and use called Publisher Rocket within my course, I can include an affiliate link within my own course on Thinkific, but I'm not permitted to do that on platforms like Udemy. There's some considerations for you. Remember, I'd be most grateful if you signed up to Thinkific using my affiliate link. I'll provide you with that 1 hour. I'll make it 1 hour. Initially, it's going to be 45 minutes. If you would like me to help you through that initial process of Thinkific and joining up and doing all that, if you become a Thinkific paid member, I'll provide you with 1 hour free coaching. So there you have it. And if you on the premium plan, I'll give you 2 1-hour sessions to help you get started, to provide you with the guidance and expertise that I've had with having over 11 courses on Thinkific, selling thousands of dollars worth of courses on Thinkific, and creating a membership where students actually are members accessing all my courses as well. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you check out the description below for all the details I've talked about in this video. Appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about learning about passive income, online education, and everything that might involve business and online business as well. So thank you, and I'll see you soon.